NabriLove. I haven't been on YouTube in 3 weeks, so it's time to get these videos out. I've been on a little hiatus. I've been going through some personal stuff, but that's nonetheless, I'm back and I'm better. And I got some new hair in my head, and I also cut these bangs. So what's good? If you'd like to see how I completed this look, please continue watching. I'm starting off with the L'Oreal High Color. I used 2 boxes of magenta and 1 box of red. And then I just mixed it with the 40 volume developer. And you just want to get it to like a creamy consistency and just lather the hair with the dye. I forgot to mention that I divided the hair in 3 or 4 sections just to make it easier for you to put the dye on the hair. Point I just don't care about my canvas head because you know I just get messy with it. But this is the finished, well, not finished product, but after I'm done dyeing it, I'm just gonna let it stay on for about 45 minutes and I'll come back. All right, y'all, so this is how it turned out. That's how it looks. I'm about to do some barrel curls and I'll come back with the finished look. Initially I curled it, but I am tired of just giving you guys straight or curls. So I decided to cut bangs because I need to give the girl style instead of being boring. So in this segment, you'll see that I pulled a piece of the hair, like just a little portion of hair to the front of my head as a part of the closure. And basically what you want to do is get it as flat as possible. Make sure there's no lumps in the back or on the sides, and also flat on the bang part. Okay, you want to start off twisting your bangs so you can get the fringe look. And you can either use a razor comb or a razor to cut off the excess hair. And you want to make sure you're cutting it long enough so just in case you can go back and fix your mistakes. Okay, after I have cut the first piece, you're going to see me checking for the thickness in the bang because I didn't want it too sparse and I didn't want it too thick. So that's what I'm looking at right there. And then I'm also going to leave some pieces out on the side that are going to be a little bit longer. And then I'm going to go back in and cut some more. you want to use your scissors and cut in an upward motion so you can get the fringe look, and you're just going to cut it to wherever you want your bangs to stop. I normally like cutting it right above my eyelids just because I like that look, but wherever you want to stop at, you can. As you can see, I went back and checked a lot of times because this is my first time cutting bangs, and I did not want it to look jagged or messed up. But this is the final product of my first time cutting bangs. So that's it. This is the final look, guys. I love it. Everything will be in the description bar down below, guys. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And also subscribe to my channel, because we get lit over here. We get turned. And you're going to learn some new stuff about me and just in general, because I'm just that bitch, period. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, and thank you for all the love and support you showed me. Like, I've been going up ever since I've been on YouTube, and I've just been like, thank you. I really appreciate all the love I've been receiving. And yeah, we finna go up. I say that every video, but yeah, we really finna go up, and that's no cap. But see you guys in my next video. Bye.